Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this time I will be showing a theme for the MIUI devices or the Xiaomi devices. The name of the theme is Slim N, and as the name suggests, it is somewhat like the upcoming Android Nougat. Anyways, the size of the theme is 3.3 MB, and if you have any Xiaomi device, you can install this theme. So let's go to this theme. So as you can see, first things first, the theme's UI is very clean, very smooth. I don't know much about the performance side because currently my Redmi 2 Prime is running on 7.5.2 MIUI with Android Lollipop. So the MIUI version 7.5.2 is really smooth. So I do not know much about the performance side, how this theme will affect the performance. Will it improve or will it not improve that much? But anyways, let's start with the lock screen. And in the lock screen, as you can see, there are three buttons which can be found in the native Android L, M or the upcoming N. So you have, swiping to the right will take you to the dialer. Swiping up will unlock the screen, and swiping to the left will take you to the camera. These things were present since Android Lollipop, but still Xiaomi did not implement this thing to their MIUI versions, so we could not get it. But if you install this theme, you will be getting these things. Then the next thing is that most of the icons has changed. As you can see, the icon of the phone, contact, messaging, camera, and most of the native Google icons have also changed. As you can see, the icon of Gmail, Chrome, YouTube, all of these things have changed slightly than the MIUI 7.5.2 native icons. But there are some weird things also. As you can see, the icon for the Compass app looks quite like the icon of the Google Spaces. I do not know why, but I don't hate it. I like it. Now the widget of the clock is different. You can obviously change this widget with any of the native widgets that are found here. But this widget also looks nice because it contains the clock as well as the weather, as you can see. So next up, the notification shade. So pulling down the notification shade for the first time will show you this thing, but from the second time when you pull down the notification shade, you will be going to the quick settings. As you can see, in the quick settings also many icons has changed, but not all. Like the vibrate, the GPS, the hotspot icons have not changed. Now going to the settings, you will also find that these icons have also changed, as you can see here. And this thing up on the notification shade looks quite like the upcoming MIUI 8. It is not upcoming because the Mi Max and the Mi 5 has the MIUI 8, but upcoming for this Redmi 2 Prime anyways. So this thing looks a lot like the MIUI 8 notification shade. And that ends the video here. You can obviously download the theme Slim N from the theme store, and yeah, that's it. Do like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on my next video.